Now let's look at an example with Gay-Lussac's law. You can see here that we're going to try and work out the volume of hydrogen gas that will combine with the volume of nitrogen gas to form ammonia gas. So that we first of all need to write an equation. So nitrogen gas plus hydrogen gas gives ammonia gas. It needs to be balanced, so we need to put a 3 here and a 2 here. Now, let's decide how we're going to do this. We've got gas, 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 so we're using Gay because we're very happy. Now, we've got the volume of nitrogen gas, so that is our known. And we're trying to find the volume of hydrogen gas, which is our unknown. So because it's Gay-Lussac's, it's a one-step process. So the volume of hydrogen gas will equal unknown over known times the volume of nitrogen. So the unknown, look at the equation, is 3. The known is 1 times 6, which comes out to 18.0 litres to 3 significant figures. Now let's try a second part of the example. What volume of ammonia would be produced, assuming the reaction goes to completion? So the volume of ammonia will equal unknown over known times the volume of our known, which is nitrogen. So the unknown is 2, our known is 1, times the volume of the known, which is 6, so it comes out to 12.0 litres to 3 significant figures.